it's your reptile bro, Aaron, the king of reptiles. Have you been good today so far? Well, I have, and before I start this video, I just want to tell you, thank you for subscribing to my channel and giving me a lot of views and thumbs ups, likes. So anyway, whatever, so let's just get started with this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to do an eating competition, Teddy versus Bear, my two bearded dragons. So I'm gonna give them 1 minute. So I have my phone, and then I can. So this is basically 20 mealworms. I'm just gonna open this, and I'm gonna set the timer for one. Actually, I'll set it for 30 seconds, because 20 mealworms should be easy for them. So I'll give them 20 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Okay, he basically just sees them. Okay, he's just like looking at them moving. Let's see if he actually wants one mealworm. Okay, so he's now he's going for it. See, he eats one. Like, I think that was 2 or 3. And then I think bears like didn't see them, and then that's 30 seconds. So he ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So he basically ate 6 mealworms. And then I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't get this one. 5, 6, and that's 20 also for this bearded dragon that's going to eat next. And I'll reset the timer, and then I'll start it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the other one ate 6. Okay, he's going for it. Let's see who will win this match. He's going for the mealworms. It looks like he ate a few. Okay, he's like, I think he was a lot hungry a lot. So he's eating. Let's see. Okay, and almost ended. And done. So there's 4 left. So that basically means he ate like 10 more worms than the big guy. So the small guy beats the big guy. I don't know how, but that's basically what happened. And then this is the end of today's video. And always be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button for more videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye, bye, bye.